This looks boring. Let's make it better. This looks way better. But what did I actually do? Everything you just saw is just because of lighting. And light is probably the #1 key for the cinematic look. But how is it done? Well, most of the time you try to have at least 2 or maybe 3 lights on your subject. The way you'd put this together is with one key light, the main lighting source for your subject, to get this lit up face half right here. Then if needed, a fill light, just so that the dark side is not actually that dark. And then you try to have something like a little spotlight or headlight, depending on your situation. In my case, I have it pretty much on this height, and it's just lighting the edge of my face right here, just so you get a little bit more of a 3D look in your face. But why are my lights different colors? Well, simply put, this is because of color theory. Usually to get that cinematic look, or just to have it be a little bit more appealing to the eye, you try to go for contrasty colors. So if you look at a color wheel, you take the complementary color, so basically the opposite color. In my case, I have a little bit more of a warmer tone as a key light, and then the spotlight is cooler, just to get that color contrast in. I'm also accentuating this by putting a prop light right behind me that has a pretty warm tone to it. And over here I put my display backlight color to blue, so we have again that orange bluey contrast. But what else did I do? Well, if you paid attention, before the screen was black, and now I put my DaVinci project on it just to hint a little bit more detail in the background. The same goes, by the way, for this guitar right here. It's filling up a little bit of that white blank space, and it matches perfectly in the color theme because, well, it's an orange guitar. And the way the lights are put together, I can get different moods pretty fast. If I want to have a little bit more of a flat and friendly tone, I just have to roll back and it's pretty evenly lit, or I can get a whole lot closer to the camera and really accentuate the difference between the highlighted side and the shadow side. Well, at least the framing here is not finished, it's still a work in progress, but that's just to show you a little bit what difference lighting can make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on cinematography.